This is a simple and fast review of the Velotrex cordless portable power washer. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. You get everything out of the box. It comes with obviously the cord, the car wash kit, a number of nozzles, power, 180 degree nozzle. This just kind of slides either way. And this is sealed, by the way, when you first get it, but you have to pop that open because there is more stuff inside. You've got wheels that you're going to need to put on. You've got your trigger, some kind of filter here. I think that's for the water. I'm not sure if this is something that opens up or not. I'll have to kind of look into that. I think that's underneath is going to be where my power is. On the side here is going to be where the hose goes. Obviously on the bottom here is going to be where I insert my 4 wheels. Flipping it over real quick. This is meant to be portable. Zoom out a little so you can see a little bit better. And so this handle will kind of allow you to kind of move on and off. There is going to be all your power stuff right in front. And you'll just connect your power to that to charge this bad boy up. So we're going to go ahead and put the wheels on, get it charged up, and then we'll test it out. All right, so first things first, you need to make sure that you pull out the plug that would go in here and put in your little filter before you start filling with water. And we're going to go ahead and fill with water. And one thing I may not have pointed out is that this piece does come up, so you can close the top and this little white area will kind of shrink into position so that it's a little bit more compact for travel or keeping it stored or anything like that. But we'll go ahead and fill this up with some water. Next, what you'll need to do is connect this, and you should be able to just kind of stick this in. And then we'll do the same here. We'll click this into place, and the release, we just press that button to get it in and out. And then for power, we're just going to press our power button down here. All right, so I'm going to just show you. You got to really make sure that it gets in there to the point where it's just black on black, and then the release. So it's kind of hard. It'll just kind of stop there, but you really just got to continue to press it in pretty deep, and then it. Well, of course, I missed that whole thing on camera here. So let me just back it up here. Sorry. So release it, simple. But to get this thing in, you'll just have to really press it in deep because it'll kind of stop right here and not go any further. Just keep pushing until it clicks in, and then you've got a tight seal. Then you'll just turn your power on. This is adjustable down to 7 and all the way up. So depending on what kind of power level you need, I'm going to keep it at a high level, and then we'll just kind of showcase this in a second here. Adjusting. So as we pull this trigger, you can spin this this tip for a wide or tight spray. As you can see, and it'll go wider for a little bit less. And what you'll kind of tell is that it goes really wide. So as we tighten it up a little bit to clean the vehicle, does a really nice job. And the beauty of this thing is that I can take it wherever I want. So you'll note that it's got wheels and there's no power, no water connection, so I can literally take it out to the street if I want, which makes it really awesome. So as I choose to bring this thing around, I'm not restricted at all by any kind of anything but the actual length of this cord here, but I can drag it wherever I want. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up, and really the thing I'm most concerned about is how much time I get from this this water barrel, so we're going to go ahead and clean a little bit. So the problem is that I've been washing the car for 5 minutes and it is empty. Did a great job cleaning the car, getting all the stuff, you know, some of the salt from the roads off my car. So it's really nice there. The portability is amazing. If I want to take it to the street or on a dock to clean a boat or something like that, I don't need a hose. That's the real nice feature. The problem is it gives me about 5 minutes before it's empty. So that is a major challenge with this thing. Portability, lightweight, easy carry. Everything is really great. Collapsible, meaning again, this just will kind of collapse down for portability if needed. The problem is you know, 3 to 5 minutes and you're done. So you'll get a car and then you got to refill it. So you need to be by water, but the wheels make it great. The capacity, not so much. I love the length of the hose is really nice. So there's really some great pros to this, some obvious cons. So hopefully this review helped you. Based on the value, still a decent thing, but capacity is definitely an issue. If there was a way to hook up the hose for local projects, that would be really, really great. And then, you know, to have the ability to unhook the hose and take it with me, that's the real nice feature, that it's portable, but capacity is a challenge. So hopefully this review helped you. Thanks for watching.